What's going on? Brought to you by CCF Club Cash Funds. On this day, 02/19/2024, brought to you by CCF, long name, Club Cash Funds, that you can request a starter kit and you start making some money. Yeah, all you gotta do is just request a kit and you are good to go. I mean, there is much to talk about. There's another promotion I'm bringing you with CCF, nice looking thumbnail, and go from there. Lovely thumbnail, and go from there. Yeah, I built this yesterday, a couple days ago, about this thumbnail. It's looking good. So I decided I want to make a video about it, about CCF. I've been with CCF for a long time. At least I've been with CCF for a long time. It's an easy work from home based business. All you do is request a starter kit. All the information on our starter kit, follow the instruction on our starter kit, and you will get started as well. That simple, that easy. It's not really nothing to talk about. Now we have to able to work from home now. We got to work from home now, everybody. We have to work from home at this time. Yes. I mean, there's really much to say. It's just gotta open a home-based business. Nobody don't owe you nothing. I don't owe you nothing. We need extra to be able to pay our bills. Non-skeptical, non-business owners out there still skeptical, saying everything is a scam. Everything is a scam. A lot of stuff is not a scam. I'm not a scam. You gotta see my face before. You gotta hear my voice before. You see what I do every day. No, this is my promotion every day. I work from home now. I'm getting some sign-ups due to my effort. Not giving up. Due to my effort. Have an understanding. Due to my effort. Be the best I can be. Due to my effort. Can't stop. Due to my effort. Have a good understanding how home-based business works in them orders. If you don't try, how do you know you can be the best you can be if you don't take the initiative to open your mind for something new? Your 9-to-5 job is a business. Someone had to promote that opportunity to see if you qualify for this position. There's the same thing working from home. What I do from home, everybody is qualified. What I promote online, everybody is qualified. You don't need no resume to be qualified to work any postcard business or any flyer business. You don't need no resume. I won't wait till 2 weeks to see who else I interview. Everybody is hired who's looking for work today. You can do the postcard business part-time or full-time. It depends how you promote your business. Yes, it depends how you promote your business. You can do it full-time or part-time. It doesn't matter what you do from home. At least you have a plan A, plan B, plan C under your belt. Make sure some income is coming in just in case your company gonna shut down behind your back. True facts. You know that I know companies don't last too long if they're not making no income, if they're making no revenue. They will shut the door behind your back with no explanation. Again, this is my second video about why wait till your job shut the door behind your back and you be crying saying where I'm gonna get some income from, how I'm gonna do this, how I'm gonna do that. Where? Why not get started today and put things in place, and you don't have to worry about where I'm gonna get some income from. At least you have a backup plan. In them orders, at least you have a backup plan to let yourself know that I'm good. I ever pay my bills. Yeah, your job is it's a business. Somebody had to borrow some money from the bank to get that business started. They in debt too. Your company that you work for, they in debt too. They have to pay the bills to keep the roof over the employee's head and get paid every week or every 2 weeks or every month. It doesn't matter. Every business is in debt. They have bills too to pay, but they are using employees to work their business by their owners doing something else by traveling the world or creating more revenue stream of income to their company to give them time to do whatever they want to do on their leisure. Yes, work from home based business is the same thing as not working 9 to 5 job, except you your own boss. You your own employee. You make your own decision. You pay your own bills. You pay your overhead. You pay your promotion deals. You make promotion deals. You do the flyer business. You do the postcard. Let people know I'm hiring. You don't need no resume on my end. I am hiring. Free resume. You don't need no resume to do postcard or flyer business at all. Everybody's welcome to join CCF, CBSU, Best Easy Work, SoFi, and all the opportunities I got to offer them. You are welcome to join those businesses. Yes, indeed. They won't bite you. All you got to do is just take a look at the information, see if you can add it to your busy life. If you can add it to your busy life, thank you for your support. Welcome all new members in advance. True story. Welcome all new members in advance. Yes, CCF been around for a long time. They shut down 2 years ago because the owner got sick, and now he's feeling better now, and he brought it back. Let everybody know, all the old members, that I'm back. Sorry for the delay. And got a new number, and got a new link. They links to me. All you do is request a free kit. That's it. That's simple. Painless. True story. I mean, I don't know what else to say or what else to do. I'm not convincing nobody to join home-based business. You know y'all need some extras. Extra couple dollars in your household. You know that. You depend on your 9 to 5 job. Again, your 9 to 5 job don't care about you. They're going to close the door behind your back. What are you going to do when they close the door behind your back with no explanation? Can somebody answer me that question? Yes. What are they going to do? If they close the door behind your back, what you going to do? It's not my problem that you don't have no plan B, plan A, plan B, plan C, plan Z, plan Y under your belt. Why wait till the door closed behind your back? Non-skeptical, non-business owner out there saying, I don't want to support nobody. You supporting your job. You depend on that job, getting up every morning. You depend on that job every day because you know you got guaranteed paycheck. That paycheck cannot be guaranteed no more if the door closed behind your back, and then they deny you on your unemployment. So why wait till that happens? I'm talking to the non-skeptical, non-business owner out there thinking everything is a scam. We got to wake up and open our brain cells. Ain't nothing a scam. You know, it's called putting things together, putting things in place. You have to put things in place, make sure your bills are getting paid. If you don't put nothing in place, guess what? You'll be struggling. Ain't nothing getting paid because you wait at the last minute to be scrambling how I'm going to get this extra change, how I'm going to do this, how I'm going to do that. True story. How I'm going to do this, how I'm going to do that. Yes, the moral of the story is CCF, Club Cash Funds, starter kit in your mailbox, instruction on the letter, and follow those instructions. The owner will disperse whatever funds is on that letter when you send your letter in. That's simple. It's free. The postage is paid for. It's paid for by the company. So you don't need to go get no leads, no stamps, no nothing. You are the lead on that CCF. You are a lead. When you open my link and request your kit, your address, you're gonna put your address on a pre-populated landing page, and the company gonna get it and they're gonna send out the kit. That's simple, that's easy. Alright, I'm gonna come back with you again with another video. Thank you for listening to my video presentation about CCF. Talk to y'all soon. Thank you.